Hello dear viewers, my name is Nick. In this video I would like to tell you about Bybit Megadrop. Bybit Megadrop is a pretty interesting financial instrument. Today we will talk about how much money can you earn, how to do it, and other things. So let's get started. First of all, hover your mouse over trade at the very top and now find here spot X. Okay. And then you will see ongoing events and listing activities. And right here you can find Bybit Megadrop right here. So let's click on it. Here's the Megadrop page. So the essence is very simple. Megadrop is very similar to a pool. Here you will also need to contribute your assets and receive coins for it. For example, now you can get bomb coins. But the difference is that here you need to deposit your money to the saving account for a certain period of time, for example 14 days or 30 days. For example, if you will invest your assets for 40 days, you will be able to multiply your assets by 1.2 times. If you will put your money only for 14 days, you will have these points coefficient. And the same thing with MNT products. By the way, you can also get additional coin multiplier, spot task. You need to complete any spot trade daily during the snapshot period. Complete any spot trade daily during the snapshot period. As you understand, I've already participated in this kind of events, and I can tell you how much it turned out to earn. I deposited about $700 under multiplier 1, and I got about 14 LD coins and also about $1 from savings account. So I get about $4 or $5 from this event, and I think you can do the same thing. Well, it's not big money, but anyway, you can get it. I really hope my video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.